Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make buffet tags. First, gather your essential materials. You will need sturdy cardstock, sharp scissors, and a reliable ruler. A scoring tool can also be very helpful for crisp folds. Think about your event's theme and choose colors or patterns that complement it. Having all your supplies ready ensures a smooth and efficient crafting process from start to finish. Next, focus on the design. Choose a font that is easy to read from a distance, perhaps a sans serif style. Clearly list the dish name, key ingredients, and any common allergens like nuts or dairy. You can also add small, tasteful graphics or a splash of color to match your theme. Aim for a clean, uncluttered look so guests can quickly find the information they need. Now it is time to cut and fold your tags. Use sharp scissors or a paper trimmer to cut along your design lines with precision. For a professional finish, gently score the fold line before bending the cardstock. This creates a crisp, clean crease and prevents cracking. Ensure each tag is uniform in size and shape. Consistency makes a big difference in presentation. Finally, display your beautifully crafted buffet tags. Position each tag directly in front of its corresponding dish, ensuring it is easily visible to all guests. Consider using small, inexpensive stands or clips to elevate the tags slightly, improving readability. Arrange them neatly and consistently across your buffet table. Well-placed tags enhance the guest experience and add a polished touch to your event.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.